Hi there, this video is going to show you how to insert a hyperlink into an email that you're sending. So just like normal, you go into your work email and you click on New Message. You type in someone's address. In this case, I'm going to send it to myself so that I can show you what it looks like when it's done. You always have a subject in your email, so this is going to be hyperlink test. And then just like with a Google Doc, you type your normal email. Good morning. Here is the link for the HyperDoc video that I made. And then basically you can insert the link. You can copy and paste the link down here, but if you want to make it a hyperlink, you can click on a term like link or here. You want to make sure that you have the actual link. In this case, it's a link to a YouTube video that I made. So I'm going to Control-C that link, copy the link, go back to my email. Now that I've selected the text here, I'm going to find this chain link here. That means to insert a hyperlink. I'm going to click on that and Control-V to paste my link. When I click OK, this should turn purple. That means that the link is active. I'm going to finish my email and send. And when somebody receives the email, this is what it will look like. The link should work. So they're going to click on the word here, and it'll open up the place on the internet that you want them to go. This video is going to explain what a hyperlink is and show you. Okay, hope this video helps you. Good luck.